and let it be consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my moments and my days, let them flow in ceaseless praise, let them flow in
Una, good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Wednesday, 13th March 2024, and our topic for today na greatness dey come with sacrifice. Our memory verse dey for 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 10, and e talk say, but God kind. I be wetin I be today, and God grace wey He give me no be yeye thing. I dey walk pass any other apostle, although na God's grace dey help me. Our Bible reading dey for Proverbs chapter 13 verse 1 to 4. Pikin wey get sense dey listen to im papa and mama words, but those ones wey dey foolish no dey take correction at all. Wise talk go put better food for your table, but na only wahala wicked people go chop. Those wey fit control their tongue go get long life, because any hard talk dey destroy things. Lazy people wan get plenty things, but na small dem dey get, while those people wey dey work hard, dem dey always dey prosper. Now the message. For 1979, my spiritual papa bin come visit me for my small house wey dey Ilesha. We don pray for night finish, and everybody don go in bed go sleep. Na wetin me bin dey think be that o. But when I come go toilet for backyard before I sleep around 10 for night, I see my papa still dey pray. For 5 o'clock for morning, I go toilet again. I still meet am again for there, as he kneel down still dey pray. As day come break well that morning, I come ask am whether problem no dey o. As my mind be say if person dey pray for midnight, e mean say big problem dey to solve. Na so he come smile, he come tell me say problem no dey anywhere, make I no worry, I go soon understand. I dey surprised as he talk say problem no dey, but he do night vigil dey pray throughout the night. I know say God dey tell me make I copy wetin He dey do. He bin come get one pastor wey come meet me many years ago. He come say we bin start this pastor journey together o, and we bin dey the same level. Now you don pass us go far. Abeg tell me wetin your secret be. I come tell am, nothing wey I dey do wey you no know before. I dey fast, I dey pray, and I dey do vigil. If you wan be as I dey, you need to do the same thing. He come get another pastor from another church wey dey pray. Him dey always dey talk say, Baba God, abeg give me 10% of wetin you give Pastor Adeboye, I go dey alright. Na so God come tell am, do wetin Pastor Adeboye dey do, I go come give you wetin I give am. Na so the pastor come ask God, wetin he dey do sef? God answer am say, Pastor Adeboye start with 40 days of fasting and prayer. Na so this pastor come answer God, abeg Baba God, e be like say I dey okay with how I dey so. Na only those people wey don dey ready to make sacrifice, na dem go dey great o. You no fit be great person if na only food and enjoyment dey always dey your mind. Those kind things only dey give people joy wey no dey last. Person wey no get money, wey dey broke well well, fit watch movie make him laugh, so tey people go dey call am happy man. But after movie don finish, e go go back go face the problem. Enjoyment wey person wey no dey sacrifice well well dey get no dey last at all o. Make all this small small enjoyment no deceive you o. You need to pay the price if you wan dey great and you wan fulfill your destiny. Building wey go tall well well, the bricklayer need to dig ground go inside well well before he go lay the foundation of that building. The kind things wey go carry you go far for dis life na things wey you dey do for private o. The way you take dey pray, the way you take dey fast, and the way you take dey study your Bible, the way you dey work and every other things wey you dey do, na dis things go determine how great you go be for life o. The main point for today message be say make you pay the price now and you go get the price to take dey great. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Take my lips and let them be filled with messages from